In this video, we're going to check out the 3 Choplifter cartridges that I have for the Commodore 64. There are 3 variations, and I'm curious if anyone out there in YouTube land knows which is the original first release. I also have the box and manual for one of these cartridges. We're going to check that out too. First up, we have this one. You can see it says Broderbund embossed in the actual cartridge. I'm thinking this is the first release myself, but let's see what the internet thinks. Next up, we have what I'm going to call a silver label version. This is Choplifter, it's got the silver label. Here's the back, but on the end, it says Choplifter in blue. And that will be important in a moment. But yeah, this is the second cartridge that I have for Choplifter on the Commodore 64. Here's the third one that I have, and you're thinking, wait, that looks like the one we just looked at. Well, you would be right to some degree until we look here, and it says Choplifter in orange. So the address and all that on the bottom is the same on this one as it is on this one. However, it's different on this one. So let me know down in the comments which one you think is the first release. Here we have the Choplifter box, and this goes to one of the ones with the silver label. And why I think that is because of the address down on the bottom there matches both of those silver label versions of the cartridge. And the box is in pretty good shape. Yeah, so there you go. Now let's grab the manual and the inside paperwork. Here we have the Choplifter manual. It's basically just a little card with a front and a back. Here is the front. We'll get close and scroll on by. Then you'll see down in the corner there it says over. So we'll flip it over. We'll show you that. Lay down, and then we'll pick it up and we'll scroll it past the camera. All right, so there is the Choplifter manual that comes in the box. Next, we have this registration card. However, I'm not sure if this is original to the box because it doesn't say Broderbund anywhere on it. Nothing on the back. Bring it up by the camera here. Check it out. Yeah, so I'm not sure if that's original to the game, but it was in the box when I got it. There's one more piece of documentation that came in the box that I think is pretty cool. I'm going to show you that next. This is a cool piece of documentation. Attention software authors, your program. Are you the next Broderbund Superstar? They were actually looking for people to write software for them, and this was included with the cartridge. How cool is that? The 80s were awesome. Well, here they are again, all 3 variations that I have of Choplifter for the Commodore 64 and cartridge. The embossed cartridge, one of the silver labels with the orange spine, and the other silver label with the blue spine Choplifter. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on these 3 variations of Choplifter for the Commodore 64. I can confirm that all 3 play exactly the same, so I don't think there's any software differences. But this is pretty cool. The Broderbund is embossed in the cartridge. And one of these two originally came in the box. I would like to know which one of those originally came in the box because it's been out of the box for a very long time. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down twice. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.
Sit.
I think this is a fun one, though. This is good.
This is to have people try it.
have it set slow when you're playing, and then be like, all right, you're next up, and change the settings all crazy.
Well, I'm not even doing a good job because it's the mouse does not respond super quick. Alright, that's enough of that.